Hey Pebbles, who's the best baby in the whole world? It's Pebbles. That is my little Chihuahua, and she spends every morning with me when I am preparing for my class. And so I just wanted to show you that each morning I get up, I feed her, I check on her, I play with her, I make sure that her water fountain is on, and I do all those things to make sure that Pebbles is going to have a good day and that she's prepared for her day. And so, with that said, I want you to know that I want to have that same kind of relationship with you. I want to be able to check on you on a daily basis. Let me know how you're doing with the work. You can contact me on Zoom. You can contact me through telephone. You just email me and I'll call you back. Now my number is restricted, so when you get a call that says private, it's me. In addition to that, you can contact me through email. The key here is that we need to make sure that we are working together so that we can do well in this course this summer. All right? So please read the announcements that I send out. Email me when you have questions. Give me your telephone number so I may call you, because I want you to finish strong this semester. I want you to reach your educational goals. All right? Have a great, great semester.